Often our students use Google Chrome as part of their browsing experience, but for this read aloud option, we need to coach our students to use the Edge browser. It has a really great option for reading pretty much anything and everything that you can find in the web. If it's not showing up on the student's taskbar, they can just search for Microsoft Edge. And there it is. It's this green and blue sort of wave. So that's just a different browser. It works close to the same as Chrome. It just has this extra read aloud option. So I've already signed into Canvas as a student, and I'm going to navigate a few places so you can see how this works. Here is a vocabulary quiz, just a standard classic Canvas quiz. So I'm going to click on that. And as a student, I'm going to go to these 3 ellipses in the upper right-hand corner. And I'm going to look for read aloud. And if they've never done this before, it's probably hidden under this more tools. So once you click more tools and go to read aloud, it will show up on the list from that point forward. So I'm going to select that.
Vocab.
Let me pause really quickly because it automatically starts reading. Here's what I love about this versus other read aloud options. As a student, I can actually highlight what I want read aloud and press play.
Match the following vocab words with the correct definition.
I can pause when I need to and highlight again.
Biodiversity.
Step 1 for this process is to make sure that you have the Edge app. And if not, go to the App Store and install it. It's free and it installs pretty quickly. So select Edge, and then you need to navigate to Canvas. So it's going to be, I'll do canvas.lcisd.com. I'm sorry, .org. So I press go. I was already signed into Canvas. You might have to sign in. No big deal. Just make sure that if it prompts you to choose a school, that you choose LCISD. It probably won't do that anyway. So just log in with your school information, and it'll take you straight to where we can access our quiz. So from here, I'm going to select my dashboard, and I'm going to go to the class that I know I have a quiz in. So let me scroll down. Here is that ecosystem vocabulary quiz, and that's what we're going to focus on. So I'm going to select that. And at the bottom, look for the 3 ellipses and choose Read Aloud. From there, I have my Read Aloud doc at the top. I also have the ability to change the speed and voice of the narrator in case it's something that's difficult to understand. And from here, anything that I want read out loud, I just long tap, and sometimes I do have to stretch that, and press play.
Match the following vocab words with the correct definition.
And that's it.